Hey guys, today we're making cookies, KILN cookies. Note to self, get some square pegs, square, what are they? Guides. So I'm making each patty by hand individually because my hands just can't handle all the clay to make a full slab. Sarah at the pottery corner said, put some texture on your cookies. It'll help grab the glaze from dripping off the cookies. So this is my attempt to do that, though it's best probably to do it while it's still fresh clay rather than leather hard clay. Meh, it's just a cookie. I realized I've forgotten to use my rib to smooth it out. I think I didn't do that on the other two either, so here that is. And this is so much easier on fresh clay. That's a strawberry box that I think I'll cut it and do little flat sections of it. There's some Medex. That's great board. It was a free sample, so that was really cool. It's amazing how quickly the clay dries out when you're working with it. So I'm just trying to smooth the edges. I'm realizing it's pretty bad, and I didn't know if that was going to continue to crack once it gets fired in the kiln. Little paper sacks are pretty handy. I forgot to say earlier that Medite is high moisture resistant MDF board that's I got as a free sample, and I got a couple different kind. Really, I can't tell the difference, but it was really nice of them to send me those free samples. And yeah, I'll share with you. The link will be down in the description. For those of you who don't know, what I'm doing there with the little pointy tool, it's a needle tool, but it pokes the air bubbles that I see. I realize I didn't get all of them, but it didn't really have much of an effect on the final product of the cookies, I don't believe, at least in the slow firing, but I'm just poking out the little air bubbles and smoothing it out again. And here I'm realizing, yeah, when you're taking clay in and out of a Ziploc baggie, it doesn't seem to work for very long. Yeah. And Steve-O made that for me, a little. It was originally a clip from my phone, but now it holds down my rag. So here I'm going to use this button, a little button I found on the ground on the way to the mailbox one day, and put some texture in this cookie. It's semi-soft, or a lot softer than that other one. And here I'm just pushing it into the surface. I kind of like the depth of the little divots this makes. I learned this from Sarah at the Pottery Corner. Her channel will be in the description below. And I just love watching her. She's got some lovely ideas, which I will be trying. So go give her channel some love. Yeah, I like that texture a lot better than the grate. And this one's just too hard. Yeah, it's just not going to happen. So instead, I'm going to use my little trimming tool, trim off those rough edges, and I figured I need to learn to do this, so might as well do it on a cookie. Didn't realize it was going to flake off like that so much. And into the slip thing it goes. Waste not, want not. It's funny how those sayings, when you get older, those old sayings start to make a lot more sense. I should just use my finger. It's a whole lot more efficient. Shaking it works too. Gotta love Tober snuggles while we wait for the clay to dry. Real cooking thing. I made some cookies. They're all stacked up for the bisque. And away we go. See you in a few 24 hours, cookies. I am putting it, what is it, cone 4 in there. Oh shoot, I need to know. Do I do it low? Yeah, I do it low. Low? Okay. Okay, low. And I did it backwards. Okay. Now, I'll just hang this right here for a second. Right here for a second. I gotta lift that up. No, I gotta put the trigger up and then put this in. Oh, of course, now I've got to unpack. All right, where's my tongs? Yeah, that's when your hands aren't cooperating, doing what they're supposed to do. Okay, I'm just gonna have to lift the cookies. I don't have any kiln shells yet. Okay. Yikes. There we go. Okay. Yeah. So right here, I have to lift this up first, then pull the trigger down, and then set my cone again while holding so gently on the trigger thingy, and then not quite even. There we go. Okay, now gently let go. And that stayed up. Yay! Set on, oh yeah, low. Now, I can put the lid down gently. And we're plugged in. And here we go. I can't. There we go. And the light's on. Yeah. Okay. Got my top plug unplugged. And see you in 24 hours. Probably not that long. Because it's only 04:12. We'll see. You'll see you when we see you. That's okay. More snuggle time with Toberson. Okay, so 1:30 yesterday afternoon, we started it up, and it has finally cooled off enough to touch, and it is now 4:30 the next afternoon. So let's see. Oh, I'm so happy. Looks like they all made it. Shoot. That's my blood sugar. That's the good sound. My neighbors are getting home. Oh, this one cracked a little, huh? But I learned, I'll provide her name on screen because I can't remember right now at this very moment, from her, watching her do her cookies, that it's better to put some texture on the cookies to catch any of the drips. So those things worked. Yay, I'm so happy. Let's see. Oh, beautiful. Now it cracked like that. I wonder what that means. So they, look what happened. So does that mean that does that mean that baby Huey fired too hot? Does that happen to y'all? Or, interesting. So yay, my cookies are done. I have another batch of the natural clay that I harvested here from the yard that I will be making and drying and doing another batch. So yay, thank you for joining me on this first journey into kiln firing, making cookies. Bye. Aw, that's my boy. Thank you so much for joining us and watching.